In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Canva. Whether you're creating eye-catching social media posts, professional presentations, or custom designs, being able to isolate an image from its background is an essential skill. And with Canva Pro, this process is both quick and intuitive. So if you're ready to learn how to create clean, polished cutouts for your next project, let's jump right in. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Keep in mind, the background remover tool is a premium feature available only in Canva Pro. If you're not yet subscribed, free trials may be available, so be sure to check it out. To get started, go ahead and log in to your Canva Pro account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click on it. From here, you can either choose one of Canva's preset sizes, like for Instagram posts or presentations, or select custom size if you have specific dimensions in mind for your project. Once you've decided, click Create New Design to open up a blank canvas. Now that your canvas is ready, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Uploads tab. This is where you'll bring in the image you want to edit. You can either drag your image straight into Canva or select the Upload button to find it on your device. Keep in mind, if your file is quite large, it may take a little longer to upload. Just wait until the image thumbnail appears in your Uploads panel. Once your image has uploaded, click on it to place it onto the canvas. You can resize or reposition it as needed. But for now, let's focus on removing the background. To do this, select the image by clicking on it. Then look up to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. This will open up a panel with various editing options. In this panel, find the Background Remover option, also sometimes labeled as BG Remover. Click on it. Canva will automatically process your image and remove the background, leaving just the subject isolated. This step is almost magical in how it works. But it's not always perfect, especially around fine details. If you notice any leftover bits of the background, don't worry. You can use the Erase tool to clean up those areas. Alternatively, if Canva accidentally removed part of your subject, switch to the Restore tool and paint those sections back in. For detailed areas like hair or intricate edges, it helps to zoom in so you can make precise adjustments. Take your time here. This step ensures your cutout looks polished and professional. Once you're happy with how the cutout looks, take a moment to review the entire image. Make sure everything is just the way you want it. If you need to make further edits, you can keep tweaking with the tools available. And when you're all set, it's time to save or use your newly cut out image. You can download it directly to your device or add it to your current Canva design. Either way, you now have a perfectly isolated subject ready to use however you like. So now you know exactly how to cut out an image in Canva using the Background Remover tool. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.